Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you can make your photo look better with Picsart application. Open your Picsart applications right away, and then you just need to wait until your application is perfectly open. And now if you want to do a super simple, quick and fast editing, you just need to go tap into this the inspiring sections right here, and there could be like a lot of replay options or template that you can use for your picture. Let's say I would like to use this template, so you just need to tap on this, and now we just need to go tap choose my photo, and that could be like a lot of options of your photo on your photo library, and then you just need to tap one of them. And the next, we just need to adjusting everything here. And now here we already got this first step, so this one is cropping. You can just pick the photo area that you want to use here, and right after you're done for it, you just need to go tap next. And this is could be the next step. If you feel anything is good perfectly, you don't need to adjust everything here. You just need to go tap next again. And now we already got a version of pick the filters. So if you are fine with this, also just tap next. And now you already got this super simple result. So this could be the before, and this could be the after. Right after you're satisfied, just download it, and then you're done. That's so simple. So that's for this tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy this. If you still have some questions, drop into the comment sections below. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's meet again into other video.